So I had to think about this because I didn't want to be negative in my response. But if I'm going to be honest, I don't think that we've yet built a system that consistently fosters a sense of mattering with all children, especially not neurodivergent children. As I said before, most schools, most systems, just they are designed around the middle, the
Right.
typical learner, the typical brain. And also the belief that those that are on the margins will just somehow miraculously adapt. And that's just not how things work. We know that it's the opposite. We know that when you design to the margins, everyone benefits. It's like
Mhm.
that principle of the rising tide. But we know this in theory, but we're still just doing that's why I said we've educated the same way since the beginning of the time, because we still continue to teach to that middle and not really teach to the margins when we know that what you do for the students who are not typical will still benefit the ones who are probably going to be fine anyway. And so I think that a system that truly supports the most misunderstood thinkers or the overlooked learners, it becomes a healthier system, a more humane system for all of the students that we're dealing with. Now, I'm not going to say that I haven't seen moments of mattering. You always have those teachers who like take that moment to sit and slow down and say, is that student really getting what they need? Or um, you see that. You see teachers who are looking at, the whole child, or systems that are looking at the whole
Right.
child.
Right.
But I think that especially when it comes to neurodivergence, we always come from a deficit, and until we start,
Yeah.
like,
Yeah. Yeah.
shifting that, we're not going to make it a system where everyone feels like they matters. I think if we focus on, like, creating conditions for students to know that they matter, like, really matter, I think that we start seeing students take more risks or
Yeah.
advocating
Yeah.
for
Yeah.
themselves or
Yeah.
feeling grounded in their identity, and then we'll start seeing things make a difference, but we're not quite there yet.